If you've been dreaming of glowing skin, a lighter body, and a natural detox that truly works, you're in the right place. This chia seed morning drink not only keeps you hydrated and energized, but also helps in weight loss and gives your skin that beautiful inner glow. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, from which country are you watching this video? I truly love seeing how many of you are joining from different parts of the world. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me grow and continue sharing more natural beauty remedies with you. Let's get started. Why this drink works wonders. Benefits: chia seeds, the hydration and weight loss. Hero chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. They deeply hydrate your body, reduce dryness, and make your skin soft, supple, and naturally glowing. Their gel-like texture helps your body retain moisture, keeping your skin fresh and plump all day long. Plus, they help control hunger, boost metabolism, and support healthy weight loss naturally. Pink Himalayan salt, the mineral balancer. This natural salt contains over 80 essential minerals that help balance your body's hydration, reduce puffiness, and improve skin texture. It supports digestion and helps maintain electrolyte balance, which not only makes your skin glow, but also aids in fat metabolism for better weight management. Lemon juice. The detox and fat-burning booster lemon is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. It cleanses your liver, flushes out toxins, and supports collagen production for firmer, brighter skin. Its natural acidity also helps boost metabolism and burn fat faster, making it a perfect ingredient for weight loss. Honey, optional. The antioxidant and weight loss sweetener. If added, honey gives natural energy, fights inflammation, and enhances skin elasticity. It also helps in burning stored fat and curbing sugar cravings, keeping your body fit and fresh all day. Together, this drink purifies your body, boosts weight loss, hydrates your skin, and gives you that healthy, natural glow from within. You'll need 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 glass of water, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, half a lemon juice. Honey is optional if you like a little sweetness. Preparation. First, take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and soak them in 1 glass of water. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until the seeds swell and form a gel-like texture. Once soaked, add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, then squeeze half a lemon into it. You can also add a teaspoon of honey if you like. Stir everything well, and your hydrating chia detox drink is ready to enjoy. How to use. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Stay consistent for at least 2 weeks, and you'll notice your skin glowing, your body feeling lighter, and your energy levels improving every day. If you try this chia seed detox drink, share your experience in the comments. I love reading your feedback. And please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support truly helps me grow and bring you more amazing natural remedies every week. Stay hydrated, stay glowing, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video.